Kia ora team, it's Olivia from Progear here, and we're about to unbox the new Fuji GFX100. So when we open the box, the first thing we see is, of course, the instruction manual. Some little extras here. Looks like a subscription to some information and subscription to Capture One. The camera strap. So in this wee compartment we've got, here we have the viewfinder. There we go, viewfinder. We've got 2 batteries, which I think a lot of people will find very handy. Nice to have a spare. And the charger there. And in this pack it looks like we have got some adapters, plug adapters for different countries, which is really handy for when you travel. As is often the way, this is an awful lot of plastic here. This is something that manufacturers should work on, in my opinion. So we've got, that's Europe, Asia, I think that's the States, and that's Australia and New Zealand, so that's good. Got your continents covered there. Camera strap clips, attaching a strap. Whoopsie. Lots of little pieces there, don't want to lose all of those. So you got all of those. And then here, it looks like we have got your cable protector for when you're tethering. So that's everything in this little compartment. Lots to play with. And the main event, the camera itself, nicely encased in foam for protection. Let's check it out. And there it is, the new Fuji GFX100, 102 megapixels. That's what it looks like. Let's check out that great big sensor. Not too shabby. So that's everything you get in the box of the new Fuji GFX100. It's out now, so give us a call at Progear or come on into the shop if you'd like to check it out.